In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user and set their permissions in your application, an essential skill for managing teams and ensuring everyone has the correct level of access. Let's dive in and break down the process so you can confidently manage user permissions in your settings. First, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section of your application. This is generally found within the main menu or dashboard depending on your app's layout. The settings area is crucial because it's where you control various aspects of your application, including user permissions, notification preferences, and more. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has administrative privileges, as you'll need these to make changes to user roles and invite new team members. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option labeled Permissions. This section allows you to manage who has access to what within your application. Understanding user permissions is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that users only have access to the areas they need. You'll find a list of current users along with the roles they have been assigned. Next, you'll want to find the Invite User option within the Permissions section. This step is where you extend an invitation to a new user to join your team. Typically, you'll need to enter the email address of the individual you wish to invite. Double check to ensure the email is correct before proceeding, as this is how the user will receive their invitation. Many applications send an email with an invitation link that guides the invitee through the account setup process. After initiating the invite, you'll be prompted to set a role for the new user. Assigning the correct role is vital because roles determine what level of access and permissions a user will have. Most applications offer default roles such as admin, editor, or viewer, each with varying permissions. Take a moment to consider what responsibilities this user will have and choose the role that best fits their needs. For teams with more specific requirements, some applications allow you to create custom roles with tailored permissions. Finally, once you have set the appropriate role, go ahead and send the invite. The application will usually take care of the rest, sending an email to the invitee with a link to accept your invitation. Once accepted, the new user should appear in your user management area within the permission section, confirming that they have successfully joined your team. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you can